Right folks, this is what I've got to do every morning. Look, there's the there's the other way, don't they? Hello team, hello, look. Right, come on, get in, hurry up. Because they care it's feeding time. They know it's feeding time. Right, come on, Rachel, Frederick, Waller, come on. Look at this, folks. That's the look inside, eh? Now, what we're trying to do is, we're on a banana. Come on, look at that. They ken who your daddy is, right? Come on, here. Look at that. Look, every morning, that's what we're going to do with the team. That's Horatio, that's Frederick, and there's Wilbur. Look at that. Come on over here we are. Come on, here. That's a boy, look at that. There you go. Right, that's she's been fed again every morning. Come in here to the mighty WSH workshop and they're waiting on me every morning. I bought my cows the other day there and they devoured it. They're a bit messy, man, a bit messy. I've got to tidy up quite a bit with them, but you ken something, I don't want the one bit. What are you doing, Wilbur? They're even getting more and more friendly. See, to start with about 3 months ago, they wouldn't come near me, let me this close, and I'm getting closer and closer to them because they're getting more and more comfortable with me every day. Look at that. You get what I'm saying? Now look, he's wondering there, that's Horatio, that's the famous Horatio, he's chasing him away. Look, get over here, come on. And there's Wilbur, right, Wilbur, you behave, Wilbur. There you go. So there you go, folks. That's just a wee update this morning. I better go and make some gates now for Kilmarnock. See you all later, folks.